When factoring a quadratic trinomial, we need to consider the value of the leading coefficient. If it's equal to 1, we need to find two integers, if they exist, whose product is equal to c and whose sum is equal to b. In this example, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to -6. Let's think about the signs of the two numbers we're searching for. The product is negative, therefore the two numbers have opposite signs. One is positive and the other one is negative. Since their sum is positive, the greatest number is positive. We can now list the pairs of integers whose product is -6, taking into consideration that the greatest one must be positive. We have 1 and 6, so we write -1 and 6. Then we have 2 and 3, and we write -2 and 3. The numbers we need are -1 and 6, because their sum is 5. Now we can easily write the factorization of the trinomial. We can set up the parentheses like this, and write inside them the two numbers. We get x minus 1 times x plus 6. If the leading coefficient is not equal to 1, the procedure is a little bit more complex. In this case, we need to find two integers, if they exist, whose product is equal to a times c and whose sum is equal to b. In this example, a is 2, b is -9, and c is 4. a times c is 8. The product is positive, therefore the two numbers have the same sign, either both positive or negative. The sum is negative, -9, hence the two numbers are both negative. We can now list the pairs of integers, both negative, whose product is 8. We have -1 and -8, and -2 and -4. We easily see that the numbers we need are -1 and -8, since their sum is -9. We cannot use the same technique as before to write the factorization, but we need to factor by grouping. Let's see how to do it. We can write the x term of the trinomial using the numbers we found. -9x can be written as -x minus 8x. Now we take out the GCF in the first two terms. The GCF is x, and we get 2x minus 1. Now we take the GCF in the last two terms in order to get 2x minus 1 in parentheses. We take -4. Now we can factor 2x minus 1, that is the common factor of these two products. We get 2x minus 1 times x minus 4. If the integers do not exist, we need to use a different technique, such as solving the quadratic equation if possible. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.